It's super easy to connect your Galaxy Ring with your Galaxy phone. First, with your Galaxy Ring in the charging cradle, open the lid to enter pairing mode. You should receive a pop-up. Just tap Connect. If you're not immediately prompted to connect, navigate to and open the Wearable app. And tap your Galaxy Ring when it appears in the list of available devices. Next, accept and agree to the terms and conditions. The Wearable app will display a quick tutorial about all of the features of your new Galaxy Ring. Now, while your ring has up to 7 days of battery life, there are a few ways to quickly charge it. First, place the Galaxy Ring into its cradle, making sure to correctly align the marker on the cradle. It should easily fit into place. Now, close the cradle lid. You can charge both the Galaxy Ring and the cradle together with the USB cable. The cradle will charge alongside the Galaxy Ring and be able to fully charge the ring on its own battery once charged. And, like other Samsung Galaxy devices, you can power up your ring and its cradle wirelessly with Powershare.